Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In Python, reading files is a common operation in various applications. When working with files, you may encounter issues such as recognizing the dot character, or handling errors effectively. This tutorial will guide you through the process of reading a file, recognizing the dot character, and handling potential errors. Before you can read a file, you need to open it. Python provides a built-in open function for this purpose. The open function accepts two arguments, the file name and the mode in which you want to open the file, example R for reading. In this code, we use a with statement to open the file. This ensures that the file is properly closed after reading, even if an exception occurs. Once the file is open, you can read its content using various methods like read, readline, or read lines. For this tutorial, let's use the readline method to read one line at a time. If you want to recognize and process lines containing the dot character, you can use conditional statements within the loop. In this example, we check if the dot character exists in each line and print lines that contain it. You can modify this logic to perform any other operation you need. To handle potential errors, such as the file not existing or other exceptions, we wrap the file reading code in a try except block. By catching specific exceptions like file not found error, you can provide more informative error messages to the user. This tutorial covered the basic steps for reading a file, recognizing lines with a specific character, in this case, the dot character, and handling errors when reading files. You can adapt this approach to your specific file processing needs in your Python projects. ChatGPT. In this tutorial, we will cover how to read a file in Python and recognize errors that may occur when dealing with the dot character, We'll provide code examples and explanations along the way. Python provides various ways to read files. The most common way is to use the built-in open function. Here's how you can read a file using Python. In Python, the dot character, is used for various purposes, such as method and attribute access in objects. To avoid errors when using the dot character in file names or paths, you should be cautious and handle these cases gracefully. Here's an example of how to recognize and handle errors related to the dot character. In this example, we use a file named file.with.dots.txt, which contains dots. We handle different errors that can occur. This way, you can handle various errors related to the dot character when working with file names or paths in Python. In this tutorial, you learned how to read a file in Python and recognize errors related to the dot character when dealing with file names or paths. It's essential to handle errors gracefully to ensure your code is robust and can handle different situations. ChatGPT.